Files tab. Welcome to this tutorial where we will present the functionalities available on the Files tab of an endpoint on the Intel EMA web interface. We will show the in-band remote file browsing functionality, which is one of the in-band Intel EMA functionalities. You are able to connect remotely to the file system and perform actions as on it. Step 1. Starting from the General tab. We will start by navigating to the General tab of an endpoint. Let us first focus on the conditions. The Files tab is available when the endpoint is up and running. The first bullet point showing the power status should be green. The Intel EMA agent needs to be connected with the Intel EMA server. So, the second bullet point should also be green. If both bullet points are not green, the Files tab will be grayed out and will not be usable. Step 2. Files tab. Click on Files. Click on the blue box Connect to Files. If you are connected, the icon will change to Disconnect in a red box. File commands are becoming available and available commands are shown in blue instead of gray. Browse through the files by clicking on the disk symbol or on the name of the directory. For example, go to the default installation directory of the Intel EMA agent, see Program Files, Intel EMA agent. To download a file, select a file, for instance emaagent.msh, and click on Download. The file will be downloaded in the Download folder on the console. To upload a file, browse to another directory, for instance, to a download directory on the remote PC. Click on Upload. A pop-up window Upload Files will appear. Click on Select Files to upload. Browse for a file you want to upload, for instance, the emaagent.msh file in the download directory of the console. Select the file and click OK. The file will be uploaded. To delete a file on the remote PC, select the file that you just uploaded and click on Delete. Other file handling functionalities as Rename, Create New Folder are also available. Congratulations! You've successfully used the in-band remote file browsing and file handling functionalities. Stay tuned for the videos explaining the information and capabilities of the other tabs of an endpoint on the Intel EMA web interface.